Hello everybody, Ben Woodruff here, and in today's video we're going to be making char cloth. Char cloth is absolutely incredible. It's surprising that more people don't know about it, and everybody should know what it is and how to make it. This is the most wonderful thing for starting fires. Now, if you just make a spark, it will catch on this char cloth, and then you just blow on it and it will ignite and heat up anything you need to do. So this is really good for, like, if you're doing a flint and steel fire, or if you're doing a bow and drill fire. Anything you can do to make a spark in a survival situation, hitting two pieces of metal together even to make a spark will ignite this stuff. So the traditional thing to do is to make this in an Altoids can. There's other ways to do it. This is the easiest way. Now, there's a lot of discussion about you have to punch a hole or two in it, or you do not need to. There's enough holes and openings inside to make it work without. I've done it both ways, where I've punched a hole in the Altoids can and where I don't. And either way is just fine. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up some old pairs of jeans, and you take a bunch of strips about this size, and you're gonna put a whole stack of those in the Altoids tin, and then we're gonna put them in the fire and we're gonna see what happens. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing how to make char cloth. It's pretty cut and dry. You just need an old Altoids tin and just cut up an old pair of jeans and make fire, and you've got it. So it's pretty cut and dry. It's very useful, and I think it's good to keep this knowledge alive and keep passing it on so future generations know about it. So if you haven't already, if you could hit subscribe to the channel, I very much appreciate it. It helps me keep this channel up and going. And always remember that life is a gift, so never stop learning and never stop exploring. We'll see you next time.